Good morning and welcome to those who are pilgrims of hope. My dear sisters and brothers, we know by experience that nothing is achieved without a certain degree of sacrifice. Look at the Olympic medalists. How many days, how many hours they spend practicing. Look at musical geniuses, those who play instruments. It is said that you need at least 10,000 hours, 10,000 hours to achieve a kind of excellence. Imagine, ilang araw yung 10,000 hours, hindi ka na matutulog nun. So in other words, for us to be able to achieve something worthwhile, we need to invest in it. We need to spend time. We need to undergo some pain. We need to, suffer. Because it is only through suffering that we can achieve the glory. You know, the sentence in the gospel that was read, that the Son of Man must suffer greatly and be rejected by the elders and the chief priests and the scribes and be killed and on the third day be raised, that is just one sentence. If you read it now, it is just one sentence. And in that one sentence, there is the element of suffering, there is an element of death, but there's also the element of glory. Magkakasama sa iisang pangungusap. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Kung gusto mo ng gloria, kinakailangang maging handa kang dumaan sa pasyon. Yung iba sa atin, gusto lang ng gloria. Gusto lang ng luwalhati. Gusto lang ng tagumpay. Ayaw ng paghihirap. Hindi pwede. Suffering, pain, and even death, they come hand in hand. They go hand in hand with glory. That is why we have to be ready to undergo suffering. Suffering in itself is not good. We do not glorify suffering. Huwag niyo sabihin sa isang naghihirap, "Uy, very good, no? Nagsihirap ka." Hindi. Suffering in itself is not good. In heaven, there will be no suffering and pain. Kung suffering and pain are good, therefore, dapat meron din sa langit. Wala na. Sa langit, wala nang hirap, wala nang sakit, wala nang problema. Lahat kaluwalhatian. So suffering in itself is not good. But suffering can be an instrument to make us glorious. Kaya kapag may dumarating na paghihirap sa buhay natin, lalo na yung mga hindi naiiwasan, huwag tayong magreklamo. Hindi ko sinasabing ipagdasal niyong dumating ang paghihirap sa inyo, ha? Pero minsan, wala ka namang ginagawa, dumadating ang problema, dumadating ang mga paghihirap. No? But when they come, huwag tayong magreklamo, kundi isipin natin, ano ang magagawa nito para sa aking ikabubuti? Because as I said at the beginning, based on our experience, nothing is achieved without a certain degree of pain. Kaya ang hilingin na lamang natin sa Panginoon, Lord, kapag dumarating tong mga krus sa buhay ko, wag mo naman akong iwan. Kapag dumarating yung mga sakit, suffering sa buhay ko, kapag binibigyan ako ng buhay ng paghihirap, wag mo naman akong iwan, Lord. And the Lord will not abandon us. He will be helping us carrying our cross because He knows that this cross will bring us to glory. Amen.